Hello, today I am going to show you how to add Supabase MCP to Claude Code. So let's start the main video. First, open Claude. Now select a project file. In my case, I select an empty project file. Now type Claude for start. Then click on Enter. Now click on Yes. Now write the prompt about what you want to know or what you want to fix. In my case, I want to make a game. For that, I have written this prompt. Then click on Enter. Here you can see the different type of phases like foundation, movement, etc. Now write this prompt and click on Enter of your keyboard. Here you can see the code which is gotten by Claude. Now Claude asks that, you want to create index.html file. If you want to create index.html file, click on Yes. Now Claude has made an index.html file. You can see the file on browser by clicking on it. Here you can see that Claude has readied the file and code in the file. Now open to Supabase website and go to Dashboard section. Now click on Supabase settings. Then click on Generate New Token. Now enter your app name or other name. Then click on Generate Token. Now copy this token. Now open VS Code app and create a .mcp.json file. For that, click on plus icon and enter the name .mcp.json. Then click on Enter of your keyboard. Now paste the token on this file. Now go to the Supabase dashboard. Now scroll down until you find Claude Code. Now copy this code. Now go to VS Code and paste the code. Now copy or cut this token and replace here. Now click on Ctrl+S on your keyboard to save this file. Here you can see that Claude has detected or found MCP server in Supabase. Now you can fix any error with Claude. Also, the game is ready for playing, and that's it. Thanks for watching.